To verify your Western Union account, you may need to follow these steps. Provide identification. Western Union may require you to provide identification documents to verify your identity. This could include a government-issued ID card, passport, or driver's license. Log into your account. Access your Western Union account through the website or mobile app. Navigate to Verification section. Look for a section in your account settings related to account verification or identification verification. Follow instructions. Follow the instructions provided by Western Union to complete the verification process. This may include uploading scanned copies or photos of your identification documents. Submit verification request. After providing the necessary information and documentation, submit your verification request through the Western Union platform. Wait for confirmation. Western Union will review your verification request and documents. The verification process may take some time, so be patient. Receive confirmation. Once your account is successfully verified, you will receive confirmation from Western Union. This may be in the form of an email or notification within your account.